Hi, I'm Andromeda Dunker, the voice of HGTV's House Hunters, and this is my house. Come on in. This is the living room. It's my gathering place. I love it. Over here, I have a little musical area. I sing, and I have a lot of really talented musician friends, and they come over and play piano. See? I'm really good. These are my quilts. This is the first quilt that I ever made. I love colors that pop. It's like a big garden. This is the Walktopus. It's a sculpture made by my dear friend Scott Musgrove. Here's my record collection. It's pretty small and pretty dismal because it comes from garage sales. This kitchen is my dream kitchen. It's small, but it has everything that I want, especially color. The cabinets are my favorite color of turquoise. It makes me feel like I'm in the pool, and there is a pool that matches outside. I hate just gray and beige and white and stainless steel. I want everything to be colors like it was back in the 50s. I don't know what happened. I love this oven. Okay, you can buy a brand new fancy oven and it's not gonna work as well as a 1943 vintage. My kitchen is really a mix of modern and vintage. Coming around here, we have the powder room where I also have a pop of color. I have a crazy vintage Japanese wallpaper in here. And guys, you have to go crazy in the powder room. It's like a little jewel box. It's a surprise, and it's tiny. You can do whatever you want in there. This toilet and sink are from Frank Sinatra's last place of residence in Beverly Hills. I got it at an architectural salvage place. This is the craft room. It's my favorite room in the house because it's my sanctuary. It's where I come after a long day of voicing House Hunters when I don't want to talk to anybody, and I can close my mouth and start doing something with my hands. It keeps me sane. I love it in here, and I feel safe, and I get some quiet time. It's California, so we have indoor, outdoor living. It's a must. This over here is Bar David. We can pass cocktails and appetizers in and out, goes straight to the kitchen. And over here, this is a table by day. By night, there's a fire pit underneath, a gas fire pit. And this lemon tree was here when we got the house. Its name is L'Amour, and having fresh lemons anytime you want is amazing. I drink a glass of lemon juice every morning. This bench was made by Sven Ole Thorsen. Ring a bell? He's Denmark's strongest man. He made this and a lot of the other furniture in the yard. And these pillows were made by my friend Christopher out of vintage beach towels. Isn't that smart? And here we are by the pool, my favorite turquoise color again. I have 3 fish in here. And look, the pool boy's here. Hi, Joshua.
Hey, love.
He's also my husband. Get back to work.
Oh.
So like I said, I love color. It's everywhere. This is a cozy couch, another area of the backyard. I have lots of places to sit down and relax. Right, dogs?